Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So someone knocked on the door and I think it's a package I just ordered, so let's go ahead and check it out. Ta-da! So let's go ahead and jump right into it and unbox. You can see, Chemical Guys. As always, I am not sponsored by them, but I do love their products. Let's see what we got here. Bubblegum smell. Smells just like it. I actually ended up getting some hand sanitizer that they just came out with. So make sure y'all go get some hand sanitizer. I know a lot of places are out, so I know they have it. I actually got a few. Also got some tire trim gel. I got 2 soap sanitized bottles as well. Here's the other one. Got some VRP. This stuff is really good for the inside of the car. These is, you know, for the tires. You can actually use it for the tires as well, but to me, I think that for the inside of the car, it really works well compared to the tires. I haven't ever tried their gel, so I'm excited to try that out. Got some leather cleaner and a conditioner. First time getting this stuff right here. I'm excited about using it. And I also got my favorite stuff that I use in the engine compartment, Black on Black. But yeah, that's everything. So, you know, that's everything that I got right there. I will be doing videos on the leather, tires, you know, engine compartment after. You know, as these products are, I'm going to be doing the hand sanitizer, the soap, and all that. So I'm excited about it. You know, this sanitizer stuff just came out. A lot of people like it. I know there's a lot of places, you know, limited on sanitizer and stuff like that. But if you are looking for some, it's, you know, Chemical Guys. You know, as I said before, I'm not sponsored by them. I just love their products and stuff like that. So as these videos come out, you know, I will be making more videos. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and I will see you on the next one.